I think next year might be kind of the year of Microsoft.
Oh, really?
Because unless something drastic happens, this is the way I'm seeing it. Windows 10 is like a good operating system now, essentially. The newest update has had problems, but it's essentially now considered a good operating system
I'll take
that
your
I've
word
heard.
for that.
Um, and then that's funny. It just sent a notification on the screen right now, and that's what you heard. Um, the other thing is,
It's going to be the year of Microsoft next year, you predict,
yeah,
because.
because they're doing a lot of good things, right? They're competing with G Suite with the Office 365. That's been pretty competitive.
Hmm.
I was actually looking and seeing the only thing that Office 365 doesn't have that G Suite has, or it has it, but it has Skype, but the Google Voice system is just an overall better system, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure how it integrates with Office 365, but essentially you get the same products between G Suite and Office 365, except Google now is Google Voice, which I think is still far better than Skype for your voice over IP systems. And then you have turned to gaming. Microsoft is working with a lot of indie developers, buying their studios essentially to get first party Microsoft games. They are becoming more of an open company when it comes to their products, especially when it comes to gaming. They used to be pretty closed system, Xbox only titles. They didn't even share it with computer games.
Microsoft makes Xbox.
Microsoft makes
Ah.
Xbox, yeah. And so they didn't. And but if you bought an Xbox game, like most Xbox games didn't come to computer, right? Halo didn't come to a computer up until this year, and but now they are starting to become more open platform, where the newest Gears of War it came out, and if you buy it on one device, like if you buy it on the computer, you can play it on the Xbox.
That is convenient. I didn't know that. Yeah, that's.
They're also working together with Switch, where the Xbox Live will count as your online subscription. So if you have Xbox Live, you can connect it with your Switch account. You can and it's essentially incorporating Switch into its ecosystem. Um, and then also with the cross-play, they started. I think the most famous one they started with was Minecraft, with the cross-play between Switch and Xbox and PC, and all those things.
I'll talk to you more later about that, because if we can crossplay Minecraft, I don't know why we are still not. Oh, because you need the paid online live thing.
You need the server though. That's the problem. Is that you need the server
That's
for
why.
the crossplay.
And I don't think we'll play it enough to make it worth paying for the server at that price. Like,
Ah,
we might
well,
play once a month, but there are also months that go by and we don't play. So paying a monthly fee just.
you can start and stop it whenever.
Yeah, but I don't want to have to decide I want to play and then go through the hassle of subscribing again. It's.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Uh, and well, yeah, that's a whole nother thing. Like, it depends on how many people are playing. If we have like a group of people that are playing on the Minecraft server,
Yeah, we did leave that one, Eric's one friend, hanging.
yeah. Well,
He like came and he made a whole bunch of stuff, and then we haven't kept up with.
that server is down. That
Yeah.
server, yeah. That
Yep.
was, I think, Jeremy's buddy. Actually, I don't think that was Eric's buddy.
I lose track.
Um, yeah. All right. So yeah, they're doing the crossplay. Back to Microsoft and
Sorry.
the year of Microsoft. They're doing crossplay. Uh, Another big thing in the gaming world is this cloud service, or cloud services. Google right now is big into the cloud service with the Google Drive, G Suite, all being in the cloud, and they're also coming out with the video games area of
Go on.
uh, Stadia, Google Stadia. that's how Google is getting into the video game business. Is it's all
I remember.
streaming.
So Stadia is the platform similar to Steam, right?
Not exactly.
Oh.
So it's they're what they're trying to do is um everything is on the cloud. You don't have
Oh, that's how it
yeah,
was different. Yeah.
yeah,
And they want you to not have the game downloaded, so you then have to stream it, which means you have to have good internet and not be paying per usage, basically. You have to have also
yeah.
high-speed internet, which
You need high speed internet. You need and yeah, you
a lot
buy
of
the games
problems.
individually, but this is the Google's thing, and I'm not too keen on it.
Google's or Microsoft?
That's Google's thing.
Oh, Google has Stadia?
Google has Stadia.
Oh, see, but okay, coming from a rural area,
Yeah.
this is just not going to work for most rural areas because of the way the internet works. Or doesn't, so
And
it's just impossible.
it seemed that Microsoft was going to go that kind of route with the Xbox SAD. You remember when we talked about the Xbox SAD?
It was so sad, yeah.
The all digital Xbox where you don't have any discs, you just download everything.
Yeah.
And but it looks like the next generation of is kind of being leaked as the next generation Xbox, and they did announce some things. The leaking is saying that they're actually going to be working more for frame rate for this next generation of game consoles.
Okay. I imagine that visual process people like you will appreciate that.
Yeah, because a big problem with the old generations were they always focused on making the graphics look beautiful, and the sacrifice was that the frame rate was really bad. It was oftentimes they had to have blur to try to hide how bad the frame rate was, because even sometimes they wouldn't even run at a flat 30 frames per second. But when you're playing high intensity games, you kind of actually want a higher frame rate, close to 60 frames per second. So from what the leaks are sounding like, it sounds like they are working on having a more frame rate focused console, and they have announced that their console will be backwards compatible,
Nice.
and B, that they're going to work on making it so that you can use your console as your cloud streaming platform. So if you were away, you could use your Xbox as your streaming platform, like Stadia has.
You mean if you took your Xbox with you when you traveled? You leave your Xbox at home, and from a remote location,
you can stream games to your phone, laptop, whatever.
So does the Xbox then always have to be on, though?
Xbox would have to either always be on or have a Wake on LAN system in place.
Are we getting to...
Oh, okay. So
are we done? I don't mean
that's
to
fine.
shift gears.
So the year of Xbox, or Microsoft, it looks like they're doing a lot of good things in the business world, the cloud computing world, and the gaming world. And they're hitting up all different fronts. They're fighting Google. They're fighting Sony.
Fighting, or you mean competing?
Competing, fighting,
okay.
Whatever.
Okay.
And it seems like their products are doing pretty well. Oh, and they're also competing against Amazon when it comes to cloud services, because Amazon has cloud web services to host things, and then Microsoft has Microsoft Azure, which is another cloud hosting service.
I think we're getting to it.
Yeah.